Hi everyone and welcome to Flash AI News. Today I'll show you how to use AI to create a schedule for the Olympics in Google Calendar. Let's get started. First, we need the Olympics schedule. Open your browser and search for the complete schedule of events. Once you find a reliable source, copy the data. You might find it in a table format, which is perfect for our needs. Next, we'll use AI to format this data for Google Calendar. Head over to your favorite AI tool like ChatGPT. We'll input the raw schedule data and ask the AI to format it into a CSV file compatible with Google Calendar. Step 3. Create the CSV file. Copy the AI-generated CSV data and paste it into Google Sheets. Ensure each event is on a new line with columns for the event name, date, start time, end time, and location. Once your data is correctly formatted, go to File, then Download, and select comma-separated values, CSV, to download your schedule as a CSV file. Step 4. Import the CSV into Google Calendar. Now open Google Calendar, click on the gear icon to access settings, then select Import and Export. Under Import, click Select File from your computer and choose the CSV file you just created. Select the calendar you want to import the events into, then click Import. Google Calendar will import all your Olympic events and you'll see them appear in your calendar. Step 5. Customize and share your calendar. You can now customize each event as needed. Add notifications, change event colors, or add notes. To share your Olympic schedule, click on the calendar settings and add people's email addresses under Share with Specific People. And there you have it. Using AI to create and import an Olympic schedule into Google Calendar is quick and easy. Enjoy watching the games without missing a moment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Flash AI News for more tech tips.